Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from systemd services and revert failed deployments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from systemd services and revert failed deployments, start by accessing your terminal. Use the SSH client to connect to your server if you're working remotely. Once connected, clarify which service you want to withdraw from by using the following command. Type system to list units type equals service to view all active services. Identify the service that has failed or the one you wish to stop. To stop a specific service, enter sudo system stop service name, replacing service name with the correct name. After stopping the service, verify its status with system status service name. If the service has failed, you can disable it using sudo system disable service name. This will prevent it from starting automatically on boot. To revert to a previous deployment, check which versions of the service are available. Use the command journal.use service name to review logs and find out about previous successful runs. Once you identify the desired version, you may need to manually switch to that by using the appropriate commands. If you are using a version management tool, follow its specific instructions to rollback. If the service is part of a deployment management system, refer to its documentation for precise rollback steps. After making changes, enable the service again using sudo system enable service name. Finally, restart the service with sudo system start service name to apply the changes. Monitor the service's status again using system status service name to ensure it is running smoothly. If needed, check logs for any errors that may arise during the startup process. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw from systemd services and revert failed deployments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.